Not a lot of space in your garage, but still want to bring your kayaks to pretty lakes like this? Yeah, we get it. Introducing the Kendon Kayak Trailer. Only weighing in at 400 pounds, this trailer is very, very easy to handle, and it stands up, which you can even do solo. Don't let that 400-pound lightweight frame fool you. This kayak trailer, even decked out with all of the extra amenities on here, can tow up to 1,350 pounds. That's more than enough towing capacity, not only for 2 full-size kayaks, but also all your gear. Built on solid 13-inch wheels, and not to mention utilizing Kendon's signature independent torsion suspension, this kayak trailer is ready to tow effortlessly and smoothly, whether you're going to the lake or deep into the wild. And the best part, in true Kendon fashion, when you're not using this trailer, you can truly stand it up. No more taking up a whole garage just to store a trailer. Built for adventure, made in the USA, and designed to save space. Check out the Kendon Kayak Trailer today at KendonUSA.com. We'll see you out there.